trying to find a reliable way to win someone back? You're in the right place. Stay with me because I'm about to share the precise steps to help you succeed. Hey everyone, it's Emily. We're reaching new heights together, heading straight for your goals and dreams. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss out on our newest videos, all designed to help you live your best life. Now, let's dive into the steps for winning someone back. I'm not just referring to having them back in your life. I mean reigniting their genuine desire to come back to you. It's an important difference. Take a moment to reflect on that. After a breakup, most people focus on how to win their ex or that special someone back. But what I'm referring to goes deeper. It's about reigniting their true desire to be with you once more. We firmly believe and have guided individuals in over 35 countries through even the toughest relationship challenges, that if you've experienced love once, you can undoubtedly find it again. With the power of the law of attraction, that love can grow even deeper and more meaningful the second time around. Some people might tell you, it's over, time to move on. But maybe you're not ready to walk away just yet. There could still be something worth holding on to, whether it's love, passion, or unfulfilled potential in the relationship. If that speaks to you, keep this in mind. If you've loved before, you can love again. The real challenge after a breakup is that resistance starts to form. It might begin quietly, but over time, it grows stronger and harder to overcome. What fuels this resistance? It's your longing, your need, your hope, and the constant effort you're investing. All these emotions merge, making the resistance even more powerful. As long as resistance lingers within the relationship or during the manifestation process, especially when applying the law of attraction, it will inevitably create obstacles that prevent you from achieving what you truly want. The more you long for them or feel the need to have them back, the more desperation takes hold, pushing them further away. It becomes a game of cat and mouse. You're chasing, and they're pulling away, with the resistance growing stronger. The harder you chase, the faster they withdraw. The key is to stop, take a deep breath, and release that resistance. Once you do, they'll start to want you again, reach out to you, pursue you, and eventually fall in love with you all over again. Let me point out a crucial mistake you might be making. You believe it's all about them, but it's not. This journey is fundamentally about you. In some way, you brought this relationship into your life. You are a co-creator of your reality. The same energy that created the sun, stars, and moon also flows within you. So remember, it's not about them, it's entirely about you. Many people spend their time obsessively checking their ex's social media, reaching out to mutual friends, consulting psychics, waiting for signs, begging, pleading, making impulsive late-night calls, or even showing up unexpectedly. Believe me, I've seen it all. But these actions are focused outward, not inward. You're overlooking the most important part. When all your energy is directed toward external actions, you neglect the true, deeper issue at hand. You possess a magnetic energy, a distinct vibrational frequency that initially drew this person into your life. that same power still resides within you, and it can attract them back, this time even more powerfully. Now, here's the big secret. Are you ready for it? The key is to stop fixating on the other person. When you obsess over their actions, who they're with, where they are, or the meaning behind their social media posts, you're directing all of your energy outward. Instead, shift your focus to the emotions you experienced during the relationship. You loved feeling cherished, joyful, excited, inspired, and attracted. When you concentrate on those positive feelings rather than the person themselves, everything begins to change. The truth is, you believe it was that person who sparked all those wonderful emotions in you. But in fact, you generated those feelings through the thoughts you allowed yourself to have. Now, it's time to nourish yourself with those positive thoughts once again. Reconnect with the feelings of being loved, desired, pursued, and filled with happiness and excitement. That's the real secret. It's not about the person, but the emotions they stirred within you. Next, if you want to attract love, you must become a reflection of it. Love flows to you naturally when you immerse yourself in a state of love. Open your heart to universal, unconditional love and let it infuse every part of your life. Universal, unconditional love says, I'm not fixated on just one person. Yes, they're the one I'm drawn to, but my attention isn't solely on them. Instead, I'm focused on the experience of love itself, freely giving, sharing, and receiving it. For the next 7 days, pick 3 people, complete strangers, and silently say to yourself, I love you. It could be the friendly barista at your coffee shop who greeted you with a smile. Just quietly think, I love you. That's all it takes. By doing this, you'll begin to align with the frequency of universal, unconditional love, and when you resonate at that level, love will naturally flow back into your life. At first, you may feel an overwhelming surge of love coming your way. Old relationships, exes, colleagues, and even new acquaintances might begin showing more interest or wanting to date you. This is a clear and powerful signal that the energy of love is returning to your life, possibly even stronger than before. You'll start to notice people from all areas of your life seeking to connect with you. Next, harness the power of present tense gratitude. I've talked about this before, but it's incredibly powerful to affirm, I'm grateful to be loved, I'm grateful to be wanted, I'm excited and thrilled to be pursued, valued, and desired. Make this a daily practice and write these affirmations in a gratitude journal to deepen and solidify those positive emotions. Also, remember to have fun with your life. Ask yourself, what can I do to elevate my life to the next level? Learn more, grow more, embrace more, give more. But above all, enjoy every moment. Discover small, simple ways to bring joy into your daily routine and keep your energy high by staying excited and motivated. Now, it's time to rewrite your story. We've touched on this before, but if you're still holding on to the same old narrative, she left me, I'm not good enough, people always leave, or things never work out for me, then that's exactly what you'll keep attracting. It's time to let go of that old story and start creating a new one. Finally, and I can't stress this enough. Make it a priority to establish a daily connection with Source energy. Whether you view Source as God, Allah, Spirit, angels, or something else, this connection is deeply personal. By tapping into that Source and allowing its healing energy to flow through you, you'll find it much easier to release control and let things unfold naturally and effortlessly. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I hope you found these insights valuable and that they guide you on your journey to manifesting the love you deserve. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on more helpful content. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Wishing you a beautiful day filled with love, positivity, and endless possibilities. See you in the next video.